This video will cover the indicator icons that are located to the left and right of the LED readout display. The icons indicate when a component is on or when a function is being completed. They can also indicate when there is an issue. The sun icon indicates when the air heaters are on. The water icon indicates when the evaporator heater is on. The water drop icon indicates when the unit's auto water fill is activated if installed. The gear icon indicates when the unit is in the programming or menu mode. The fan icon indicates when the convection fan is on. The clock icon indicates when the unit is in the delay start mode. The caution icon indicates when there is an issue with the unit. To the right of the display, the speaker icon indicates when the speaker is muted. The lightning bolt icon indicates that there was a power failure. The padlock icon indicates that the security system has been activated. The USB icon indicates that the USB is in use.